Everybody loves to eat pizza, but why not you add some vegetables to it? When you buy pizza from shops, it has only flour in the dough. But I'm going to show you how to do the pizza crust with sweet potato. For this, I'm using one large sweet potato, about 600 grams. And I'm going to cut it and steam the sweet potato before I show the other ingredients. So this will take a little bit of time. So peel the sweet potato. I'm going to cut it into slices and put it in a steamer. Put it into a steaming tray and steam. These are the topping ingredients that I'm going to use. One sausage, half of a salad onion, half of a red capsicum and green capsicum. So let's do it. Cut the sausage into thin pieces. Now cut the onion into slices and the capsicums. So these are the ingredients for the sweet potato base. For that I'm using that steamed sweet potato with 10 grams sugar, 7 grams instant dry yeast, 2 eggs, enough salt to your taste, and about 500 grams plain flour. The reason why I said about, because it depends on the wetness of the sweet potato and the size of the egg you are using. So let's start. When you want to do a dough for pizza, you don't need to be very pedantic. Add the sweet potato, salt, sugar, and mix it. While mixing, add the flour bit by bit. Now add the yeast into it. Now break the eggs into it. Always when you do pizza at home, try to give something nourishing for the kids, so you can always add different things into the dough. Now knead the dough about 2-3 minutes until it gathers everything together. Once you knead the dough, you feel like it is not actually right texture, so you can always add more flour. So I'm adding the whole lot. Now knead again about 2 minutes. Now the dough is ready, so I'm going to keep it in a warm place to double in size. The consistency of the dough has to be like this. It's a bit sticky, but we can fix it later. So the dough is ready and I'm going to do the pizza now. So you do 2 12-inch pizzas from this. Take the dough and put it onto the bench. So it's a bit sticky, add a bit of flour. And cut the dough into 2 equal pieces. Press the dough and make a bowl like this. So I'm going to make my pizza to 12-inch. So add a bit more flour on top too. So press down. So using a rolling pin, roll the dough. Look at the dough, it is really pliable. And take the baking tray that you are going to do. I'm going to put a baking paper for easy release and put the dough in. Press. When you do the pizza base, make sure to punch it so it won't shrink, so the air comes out and it will stay as it is. At this point, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Add a bit of oil onto the dough and using your fingers, just apply that onto the pizza base. It makes the crust crusty and cooks well too. I always use olive oil in this, so it tastes nice too. So press, and after add a bit of cheese, then the pizza sauce, spread it a little bit, then let's do the topping. I'm going to add a little bit of capsicum, then the green capsicum. I have green olives. You can use black olives or omit the olives from this. Then a little bit of onions. If you like to add a little bit of Italian herbs, add a little bit of herbs too. And then put the sausages on top. Now add a little bit more cheese. And this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 minutes. So the pizza is ready, and let's cut it and see how it looks like. So the crust is really good, soft but crunchy. So let's cut it and see how it looks like. So it's a really nice, soft and crunchy pizza with lots of hidden vegetables in it. Hope you will try this and leave me a comment. See you next time.